The purpose of this video is to show you a last mile delivery application that I built, which really serves the sole purpose of doing route optimization by way of Google's API. So the way that it works is pretty simple, right? You have the name of the application up here. You have your start driving feature here, which once you click it, will automatically pull the sequence of your deliveries. So here it will have me starting at my warehouse, driving to the first destination, then the second destination, then back to my warehouse. And it'll give me a total amount of time as well as miles directly here in Google, which I can just right from here start to actually make this trip if I want. Then here you can see you have the days here, so I can start with 0, meaning today, and I can look X number of days in the future. Right here you can see I have 2 deliveries from the 12th to the 15th. But if I push out 2 more days to the 17th, I now have 4 deliveries. And right, if I go and I optimize with Google, it will add the remaining deliveries that I just added automatically to the Google function. So over here I can see the delivery period, the number of deliveries. I can filter by driver, which when you select will filter based on who the deliveries assigned to this driver. It will always tell me, and I'll use Nicholas Kaczynski here, 4 deliveries, total amount of time, and here you can see all the delivery orders. This is stop 1, it's for this, this is the delivery order, this is the customer, this is the address, this is the total number of miles from the warehouse. Here you can see the total number of minutes it will take to drive. You can see then the products that we have to deliver as well as the units, as well as when you go to the customer and you want sign off for confirmation of delivery, your customer can sign here. You also have the ability to mark as complete once the signature is captured. For example, we can take warehouse out number 26, which is this order here. You can see it's ready. And when I go here and say Deco Addict John Doe, and I click mark as complete, it will automatically mark this delivery as complete and remove it from my list of sequences. And when I go back into Odoo and I refresh, it will mark the delivery as done, as well as capture the confirmation and signature date time down to the second in order to have an element of accountability here on the delivery side. And of course, as I mentioned, it would then update all of the corresponding data here in your delivery app. Now you have 3 deliveries, and it automatically then would recompute the most efficient sequence now that you've just completed that delivery. And then of course the final stop here is your warehouse, which it will automatically assume you need to return back to in order to complete your day, right? And just to confirm the miles, so now we're 57.6 miles to the next location. Then after from between these two, it's 98.6. Then it's 0 because this address and this address are the same. They're both going to Wood Corner, 2 separate deliveries. And you can see 0 minutes to get there. And then from this address to our warehouse, it is 109.9 miles, or about a 1 hour and 52-minute drive. So this is essentially the way the app functions. The last thing I want to show is, if you're to go in here and we want to reassign these to Mitchell admin, right, and we update in Odoo, Mitchell admin had to, and when I go back, Mitchell admin, right, will now have those deliveries assigned. And you can see, right, we moved number 6 and 24, and now you can see here is number 24. It is the first stop because it is most efficient, and number 6 is actually going to be the last stop based on that new assignment. If you have any questions or you want to learn more about how the application works, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.